In the whimsical world of plant biology, our green comrades thrive on a delightful dance of light and nutrients. Picture this: a garden where LED lights, resembling tiny disco balls, shower our leafy friends with a spectrum of colors, from energizing blues to cozy reds. These lights, akin to the sun's gentle caress, fuel the process of photosynthesis, where plants work their magic, converting light into energy. Alongside, nutrient-rich soil acts as their buffet, offering a smorgasbord of minerals for growth. It's a harmonious symphony of science and spectacle, where flora flourishes under the spotlight of innovation. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity, and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Title: Mastering the Art of Mold-Free Radishes. A comprehensive guide introduction. Radishes, with their crisp texture and peppery flavor, are a delightful addition to any salad, sandwich, or snack. However, nothing dampens culinary enthusiasm like discovering mold on these vibrant root vegetables. Fear not, for in this comprehensive guide, we'll unveil the secrets to keeping your radishes fresh, crisp, and mold-free. Step 1. Selection. Begin your journey to mold-free radishes by selecting the freshest specimens. Look for radishes that are firm, with smooth skin and vibrant colors. Avoid any with soft spots or signs of wilting, as these may indicate spoilage. Step 2. Storage preparation. Before storing your radishes, it's essential to prepare them properly. Start by removing the leafy tops, as these can draw moisture away from the roots and promote mold growth. Leave about an inch of the stem attached to the radish to prevent moisture loss. Step 3. Cleaning. Give your radishes a thorough wash under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Use a vegetable brush to gently scrub the skins, ensuring they're clean but not damaged. Pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel or paper towel to remove excess moisture. Step 4. Drying. Moisture is the enemy when it comes to preventing mold on radishes. After washing and drying, allow your radishes to air dry completely before storing them. Lay them out in a single layer on a clean kitchen towel or paper towel, and let them sit for at least an hour to ensure they're completely dry. Step 5. Storage options. Now that your radishes are clean and dry, it's time to choose the best storage option to keep them mold-free. There are several methods you can use. A. Refrigerator. Place your radishes in a perforated plastic bag or a breathable container lined with paper towels to absorb excess moisture. Store them in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator, where the temperature is slightly cooler and more stable. B. Root cellar. If you have access to a root cellar or a cool, dark basement, you can store your radishes there. Place them in a basket or crate lined with straw or paper towels to absorb moisture and prevent them from touching each other directly. C. Pickling. Another option is to pickle your radishes, which not only extends their shelf life, but also adds a tangy flavor to your dishes. Simply slice your radishes thinly, pack them into clean jars, and cover them with a mixture of vinegar, water, salt, and sugar. Seal the jars and store them in the refrigerator for up to several weeks. Step 6. Monitoring. Even with the best storage methods, it's essential to monitor your radishes regularly for any signs of spoilage. Check them every few days for soft spots, wrinkles, or unusual odors, which may indicate mold or rot. Remove any affected radishes immediately to prevent the spread of mold to the rest of the batch. Step 7. Usage. Finally, make the most of your mold-free radishes by incorporating them into your favorite recipes. Whether sliced thinly into salads, pickled for a zesty garnish, or enjoyed whole as a crunchy snack, these versatile vegetables are sure to add a burst of flavor to any dish. Conclusion. With proper selection, preparation, storage, and monitoring, you can enjoy mold-free radishes for weeks to come. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll become a master of radish preservation, delighting in their crisp texture and vibrant flavor. Whenever the craving strikes, say goodbye to moldy radishes and hello to culinary perfection. Certainly, here's an addition to the conclusion section. Conclusion. With proper selection, preparation, storage, and monitoring, you can enjoy mold-free radishes for weeks to come. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll become a master of radish preservation, delighting in their crisp texture and vibrant flavor. Whenever the craving strikes, say goodbye to moldy radishes and hello to culinary perfection. But our journey doesn't end here. If you found this guide helpful and informative, we encourage you to spread the word by liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. Your engagement not only helps increase the importance of this content, but also allows us to reach more people who can benefit from these valuable insights. Additionally, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel to stay updated on all our latest videos. By subscribing, you'll join a community of food enthusiasts dedicated to mastering the art of culinary excellence. Together, we can inspire and empower others to embrace the joys of fresh, flavorful radishes and other delicious delights. Thank you for your support.